We're gonna do a cold start and see what the block heater does. So as you can see, block heater cord not plugged in. Block heater cord is barely at 1 degree. You can see that nothing's even on. Solid ice. Now the truck is plugged in and ready. There is no ice. I mean, it's not on. So you look under there, we can see, I mean, it's 5 degrees. So really, okay. I really just want to see how cold it is. I just want to see if I can cycle through the dash. So somehow the temperature is still 50 degrees, but engine and oil coolant, oil and the coolant temperature 18 degrees. So now, it's cold and cold. Now we will come back, see. Probably been about 3 hours when I get up to go to work, because it's a little before 4 right now. We'll see how long the truck is later. Alright, it's a little after 7 a.m. right now. Actually, no glow plug light came on either. Okay, so engine coolant temperature is 72 degrees. Engine oil is at... So that's actually... outside temperature of 16. So let's see.